Charlotte AIDS Walk with Rain, and I'm going to be on the LGBT Community Center team. And we are raising $5,000 this year for Rain to help break the stigma and to help with outreach and to just support Rain's general mission of care and compassion in helping people with HIV/AIDS in our community. And we just really need your help, and it would be amazing if you could donate. Please, if you could just click on or follow the URL at the bottom of the page and donate today, that'd be amazing. Thank you.